Marmy, we just set up Alice's mobile that you got her. Look how cool it is, and Alice is enjoying it for the very first time. Aren't you? Do you like looking at it? Let's look at what she sees. Little bears flying around. Yeah. Can you say thank you to Marmy? Yeah. Say thank you, Marmy. She loves it. She loves it. Yes, she does. She wants to reach out and touch it. With her left hand, of course. Yeah. Stella. Hi! Oh, are you getting tired, Pumpkin? Getting tired? Yeah? There you go. It's time to go night-night. See what time it is? It's 7:39. Just about the time when she goes to sleep. Yeah? I'm getting ready to go to bed? Alright. Should we put your nook in and say goodnight? Just ended. Alright. Time to go night-night. Yeah. Good night, everybody.